Hello people, welcome to Hooked with Cooking. Today let's make a paneer tikka pizza. To start with, take a clean bowl and add half a cup of warm water. The water should be hot enough but not like too hot, and add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Also add half a spoon of sugar. Gently mix it and let this rest for 15 minutes of time. Now let's make the pizza dough. To make the pizza dough, let's take half a cup of maida, some salt to taste. You can use mixed herbs. Probably you can put 2 pinch of mixed herbs. Mix them well and add the yeast and make a dough. The dough should be sticky enough. We need to make sure that the dough is sticky. Sprinkle some olive oil to the dough. You can also use the normal cooking oil as well if you do not have olive oil. Now let this dough rest for an hour. Close it with a cloth. Meanwhile, let's make the paneer tikka ready. So here I'm taking paneer pieces. Probably like to make one medium size pizza, you will be needing like 10 to 12 pieces of paneer cubes. So depending upon like how many paneer you wish to like add it to the pizza, you can probably chop them into cubes and keep it aside. And now add 1 spoon of curd in a bowl, and also add turmeric powder 1/4 spoon. To this add 3/4 spoon of red chili powder and half a spoon of garam masala, kasuri methi. Just crush it and add to it and give this a good mix. And to this let's add the paneer pieces and let this marinate sit for almost like 15 to 20 minutes of time. The paneer which I'm using was like really soft, and so make sure that you mix this very gently, else they tend to break. Also add half a spoon of lemon juice to this mixture. And now let's prepare the pizza sauce meanwhile. So take 1 tomatoes chopped roughly, half onions, and I have taken 4 to 5 garlic cloves and dry chilies like 4. I needed it little spicy, so I added 4 dry chilies. I suggest you can stop 3 to 3.5 depending upon the spice level. And give this a good mix. Add some oil, and after 30 seconds of time add some water, probably like 3 spoons of water, and let this cook for almost like 2 to 3 minutes of time until they become soft. And now make them to sit for some time so that like it gets completely cooled. And to this add half a spoon of olive oil and salt and grind them. Now let's fry the paneer pieces. Add some oil in the tawa and place all the paneer pieces in this. Only thing in this stage you need to make sure is keeping the flame low. You can also like turn the flame high, but make sure that it is on and off. Do not keep the flame continuously in high because it will definitely burn the paneer pieces. Since they are very tender and soft, it will easily get burned. So make sure that you stand beside the stove continuously and make sure you stir it and fry them well. And now add the grinded pasted which we had just grinded and add this into the tawa. So let this cook for some time. Already we had cooked earlier, so it will not take much time for us. So to this I'm just adding some butter, chili powder and kasuri methi. I will also be adding some tomato ketchup sauce and also crushed pepper. And then cook this for almost like 2 to 3 minutes of time, and this should be good. Now our dough is ready after 1 hour. You can see this. Do not like actually knead it again. You can see here the yeast has been nicely proofed, and it gives you that bread kind of a texture. Take a pizza pan, or you can also use a normal aluminum plate as well, and coat some butter to this and place the pizza dough into the pizza pan and gently spread it over. Just make sure that you do not press it very hard. So just press the corners alone, and now add the pizza sauce which we had made earlier. Be gentle enough like to add the sauce more, and now also add the paneer tikka which we had cooked earlier. And to this we will be adding half a cup, or you can even add like 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, depending upon how you love cheese. If you are a cheese lover, then probably you can go with 1 cup as well. So yes, but here I'm adding like almost half a cup of cheese, and to this I have also added some veggies. You can add corn, capsicum, onions, etc. I have added capsicum, onions and some tomatoes as well. Our pizza is almost ready, so preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes of time and bake this for 15 minutes. And yes, we are all ready with our paneer tikka pizza. Definitely give this a try, and I'm very sure that you guys will never regret any of my recipes if you give it a try. If you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and hit that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video with an delicious recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.